One of my duties is to operate and maintenance of mechanical equipment. One of this equipment is the diesel engine generator. This 33 kVA diesel engine generator is scheduled for maintenance. This standby generator is used to supply electricity to our admin office if there is power interruption. One of the maintenances we will be doing for this generator is to change the oil of the engine. Regular oil changes are essential to keep the internal engine parts lubricated and functioning properly. To start, we need to run the generator for at least 3 to 5 minutes to warm up the engine oil for easier to drain. Next, remove the drain plug using the socket wrench to drain the old oil from the engine. The purpose of diesel engine oil is to protect and lubricate internal parts and to help ensure the engine does not overheat during typical operation. Wait until the old oil completely drains. Change the oil filter. Replacing the oil filter at the same time as the oil helps prolong the life of the generator. Install the new filter by screwing it by hand. Just be sure not to over tighten the filter and damage it. After completely draining the old oil, fill the engine with the new oil. The grade of the engine oil we use is a 15W40. The 15W40 engine oil offers excellent stability, engine protection, and high temperature performance for heavy-duty diesel and high-performance engines. Another maintenance we do is to check and clean the air filter. To clean the air filter, we remove it from the casing and clean it using an air compressor to remove the dust or debris. The air filter protects the engine system by retaining particles in the air. This filtration prevents premature wear of the parts of the engine. After cleaning the air filter and the casing, properly install it back. Before the test run of the generator, prime the fuel system to bleed fuel to remove the airlock on the fuel system. Airlocking in the fuel system will result in the erratic running of the engine and may result in the stopping of the engine. After the maintenance activity, test run the generator and check if there are leaks in the oil system, fuel system, and cooling system of the generator. After the test run and the generator ran smoothly, we conducted housekeeping to end our maintenance activity for the 33 kVA diesel engine generator.